Join us for our special 70th anniversary edition of Railway Modeller, where we take a closer look at Bachmann's highly anticipated, fully retooled J72 060 tank. Finished in North Eastern Railway's lime green, this eye-catching little tank engine features a whole host of details, including pre-fitted chain-link couplings, lamps which slot over the lamp irons, and even a glowing firebox. Our sample proved to be a smooth and powerful runner, handling a wide selection of point work without issue. Read the full review in our special 70th anniversary edition of Railway Modeller, on sale now.